Good day, everybody. Rahma here from Vortex Design Solutions. Today, I'd like to take you through some of our services, predominantly our COVID-19 solutions. I just want to share my screen with you. So here we go, fitting out your space. So this is ultimately to provide a safe working environment. What we've done is we've partnered with our occupational health and safety officers, and we have provided your standard safety equipment. So that would be your thermal cameras, your screens, and your sanitizers. But more importantly, what we've done is actually revisited the way that space planning is done in an environment and looked at, do people really need to spend an excessive amount of money in ensuring safety for workers? So if I take you through Plan A, you'll see that people still sit in relatively the same layout that they did before. However, we've just changed the way that screens are implemented. Also, with regards to waiting areas, they can still be small, just where people sit is different and where sanitizing stations en route to the printing area, en route to the offices is different. We've also looked at how offices work and how people interact in a space. Then taking you to Plan B. If people need a little more privacy and a little more social distancing, where workers do not sit opposite each other, there are different ways of implementing space planning and traffic flow in a space. This is just to take you through some of the videos we've created to give you an actual 3D representation of how these solutions can be implemented in a reception area. So you'll see that this is very similar to how lobbies or reception areas used to function before. However, people do sit a little further apart, and there is an officer to ensure safety with people entering or exiting a space. We do advise that doors are automated, that there is digital signage, and that people are constantly reminded of how to keep safe and how to keep their colleagues safe. When it comes to an executive office, something such as a kick plate or an automated door will go a long way to prevent people from touching the same points. And then when people are seated in a room, because you need to give the air a chance to circulate, by all means, space them a little further apart to prevent droplets from reaching people if they do need to remove their masks to have a meeting. Then going a little further, we do a complete audit of the premises, and we also do very due diligent planning when it comes to new designs, so that there's always a risk action plan. We also make sure that any plans we implement has got ongoing staff training, weekly or monthly, depending on what type of business you are, and that there's always regular decontamination. Thank you very much. This is just a little intro to the clients that we service to make sure that we are always giving you the highest quality of service. Be sure to get in touch with us. We work nationally. Rahma here from Vortex Design Solutions. Thank you.